Every year, cancer affects millions of lives around the world, changing families, futures, and the way we understand health. But what exactly is cancer? What causes it? Can we prevent it? And what treatment options are out there today? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from what cancer is, to how it spreads, how it's treated, and how you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Cancer is a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells in the body. Normally, our cells grow, divide, and die in a controlled way. But in cancer, damaged cells keep dividing without stopping and can invade nearby tissues or spread to other parts of the body. This uncontrolled growth forms tumors, although not all cancers cause tumors. For example, blood cancers, like leukemia, behave differently. Cancer begins when genetic mutations occur in a cell's DNA. These mutations disrupt the normal cell cycle, causing cells to replicate uncontrollably. These cells avoid natural death, a process called apoptosis, and instead form masses or tumors. Some cancer cells can also break away from their original site and travel through the bloodstream or lymph system, a process known as metastasis, creating new tumors in other parts of the body. The faster the replication, the more aggressive the cancer becomes. So what causes cancer? It's often a combination of factors. Lifestyle choices, like smoking, excessive alcohol, poor diet, and lack of exercise, can increase risk. Environmental exposures, such as pollution, radiation, and harmful chemicals, also play a role. Infections, like HPV or hepatitis B, are linked to certain cancers. And sometimes, it's in our DNA, inherited mutations passed down through families. But here's the good news. Many of these risks are preventable. While not all cancers can be prevented, there are powerful steps we can take to reduce risk. Avoid tobacco and limit alcohol. Eat a balanced diet, rich in fruits and vegetables. Stay physically active and maintain a healthy weight. Use sunscreen and avoid tanning beds. Get vaccinated against viruses like HPV and hepatitis B. And most importantly, get regular screenings and checkups. Early detection saves lives. Cancer treatment depends on the type, stage, and location of the disease, as well as the patient's overall health. Common treatments include surgery to remove tumors, chemotherapy, using drugs to kill cancer cells, radiation therapy, targeting cancer with high-energy rays, immunotherapy, helping the body's own immune system fight cancer, and targeted therapy, drugs designed to attack specific genetic mutations in cancer cells. Today, thanks to medical advances, survival rates are improving. And researchers around the world are working on new cures every day. Cancer is one of humanity's greatest challenges, but it's not unbeatable. Through awareness, early detection, healthy choices, and medical innovation, we continue to turn the tide. Each life saved is a victory. Each step forward is a testament to resilience and hope. Together, we can fight cancer with knowledge, with action, and with heart. Share this video. Spread the message. Because the more we know, the stronger we become. Like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed health videos, and remember, early detection can save a life, maybe even yours.